That happens 122 years ago, the Balanghiga Encounter Day. That remarkable history that molded every Balanghigan on to be brave, courageous, and faithful. Brave to face every adversities in our daily lives. Courageous to fight and stand for our rights. And faithful to the beliefs of our own people. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, Miss Balanghiga. Alright, join us here, candidate number 11.
Hipanos! I am Michelin Paget Paharayat, 21 years old, proudly representing the town of Makisang Sangayon, Magpakia Ngayon, and Magpakililipayon, the town of Hiparnas, Esther.
Thank you ni Tay Kuya, very gentle ba? Tinanong niya sa si Carlos. Miss Carlos, your question. What can you share na kasabihan? Or your favorite quote? Or meron bang joke dyan?
Ang sports parang love yan.
Ay, talaga?
Kaya mo bang may panalo ang laro kung reserva ka lang?
Ang sakit naman.
Totoo yan.
Ibang kuka lang.
Kuwan ka na, joy.
Oo. Dahil ka first five. Last
Priority.
Kawawa naman.
Bakit may pinag-aaral ka na ba yung napas? Ang ganyan.
Ito timer?
Andito ba siya?
Andito ba siya?
Wala.
Nahayop siya.
Sa single ka ngayon.
Singer ka ngayon.
Taken.
Not for granted, hopefully.
So thank you so much, Miss
Carlos.
Walang hiya siya, sabihin ko sa kanya. Candidate number 12!
Oras! Our final candidate for Mutia ng Kapugu.